Lesson 25. Coming back. If you were to see a stream flowing, and you wished to dip some clear water from the stream, you would move your dipper to the clearest part and dip there, would you not? It is the same with dipping from the memories. If we wish to pull through information about our abilities with crystals, would we not want to return to the most pure part of the memory source and begin our research there? Yes, we would. For in this way, we would avoid the contaminants of old that caused us much trouble. When your crystals, which are here in these mountains now, were deposited by you, they were drawn from, flown from, troubled time. Yet that time was pure in comparison with some later times, and it was very pure compared with some earlier times. It was a developed time, a time with troubles, yet there was in the air a purity of purpose and a clarity of understanding that was far advanced over that of other times. It was a short-lived period, yet it was potent. It was fraught with dangers. It was unstable, yet it was powerful and clear in its directives. You who are here now to retrieve your crystals, you were the leaders in technology. Some of you were in government. You have within your power the ability to pull back to you the information that you need now to reactivate your crystals and use them for a grand purpose. To build this new world we are constructing. 40,000 years ago, you were developing your abilities that apply to the present. 20,000 years ago, you removed the crystals which have come back to you now. The very same crystals. They have developed themselves in your absence. Now you are ready to take them up, meet them at this point of development, and implement their benefits to the planet once again. This time, we must do it correctly. This time, we must keep it pure. This time, we must dip only from the purest part of the stream. We must take no contaminants with it and build anew. 20,000 years ago, when we built these crystals, it was a time of concentration, and it was a time of highest purity. Therefore, the crystals deposited are the purest energy. They have no contaminants within them. As Atlantis built on itself, it retained abilities that had been useful in the past, and it allowed the new abilities to develop. At one point, it's the point of which we speak when we remove the crystals. Atlantis had her crown chakra energy open to the cosmic force. As we have said, it was of short duration, however, it was open, ever so slightly, but indeed open. It is at this point that we wish to dip in now with our memory dipper and force an opening, keeping it pure and protected, extract our information, and move forward with it into our present. It will take many talented hands to do this. It will take dedicated minds, and our hearts must remain pure and to one purpose only, that of serving humankind in peace. Are you ready to go back? Are you confident that you can return to your original purity, that which was with you when you removed the crystals into safekeeping? Your intent was very pure at that time, your ideals high, and your actions justified. Pick up this energy where you laid it down. Feel its strength again, and feel your power of mind behind it. Know that you can enter into the former glory, keep it pure, and flower with it for the good of all. It will be a new building this time. It is a new day. We are eternally coming back and moving forward. We are one with the universe. We are one.